The new intro in 3, 2, 1.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day.
Hey guys, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired look. I don't really know what look I'm going for. I wasn't even sure how I was going to do this, but I was like, everyone's doing it, and I definitely don't think I'm going to do the Bratz challenge because literally everyone's doing it and I can't find the look that someone hasn't done. So Bratz, maybe one day. So I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm not really sure what I want to go for, like what colors I want to use. I feel like everyone has done pink, so I kind of want to do like a really nice sultry smoky eye, like a really blown out cranberry type of eye look. Sorry. So I'm going to do my eyes first just because I want to get an idea of what I want to do. So hello, this is like my favorite pink transition color. I'm like running out of it. It's Sweetheart, yeah, Sweetheart in the Tartelette and Bloom palette. So I'm going to go with that one first. Alright, so that's real subtle. Now I want to go in with a brighter pink. Modern Renaissance. I've had this palette forever. I'm going to use the shade Love Letter. I'm going to pack it on and then blend it out and see how that looks on the outer corner. So, or sorry, right on my crease. Like I said, I'm basically just packing on that shadow right in my crease area and then using a clean brush to blend over. I did this a couple times. You basically just do it until it's nice and smoked out, but you can still see where the color is. I did this like 20 times. So then I'm taking Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette and I'm packing that all over my lid and then blending that out with a clean brush as well. So the end goal is this, nice and smoked out. But the main goal for this entire look to work is just to keep blending. I blend so much, you just have to blend, blend, blend. Using an oldie Wet n Wild. This foundation is one of my favorite drugstore ones. It's really full coverage, it looks great in photos. And remember to replace your beauty blender every 3 months, people. I just learned this. The concealer I'm using is ColourPop. It's not my favorite formula, but it's bright enough for this foundation shade, so I thought I would use it. And again, using a trusty item, it's the Fenty Match Stick in Truffle to contour my nose, forehead, and cheekbones. Y'all already know from the review, the Fenty powder is my favorite. I use this to set my face. I did not bake today. I just wanted a nice smooth face, so I didn't bake. I just went ahead and set my face with a wet beauty blender. You ever heard of a voiceover? Yeah. Duh. Sometimes. Now taking this Tarte blush in Feisty. Tarte has my favorite blushes and I just blend that in with my contour to make it look real seamless. Now this is the main reason I don't like baking. It is so hard for me to dust away the bakage. Like it literally leaves a white cast no matter which powder I use, no matter how I do it, wet, dry, it leaves a white mark. And I think it's because I have darker skin. So I do try to like use a powder over it, that's my skin color, but yeah, this is like the worst part of baking. And then after all that powder, before I do any type of highlighting, I spray my face with some water because my face literally will feel caked to the max with all that powder, so I just need to refresh it. Now just adding some mascara. Too Faced Better Than Sex has been my favorite mascara since I was like 17 years old. I cannot get enough of it. It's the best mascara, and it's been the best since I took out my eyelash extensions because my eyelashes did get like a bit shorter, so like I just want my eyelashes to grow because they don't exist no more. And then something I just started doing, which is smoking out my lower lash line. I honestly forgot which eyeshadow I used. I think it was Mulberry. I just place it down and I smoke it out like real gently. You have to place a really gentle amount when you do this. Okay, so now for my favorite part, lashes. I'm wearing this style Lily Lashes in Rome with the Lily Lashes X Sephora collection. Lily Lashes are my favorite lashes. They're so comfortable. They're my favorite high-end brand. I will gratefully spend $30 on a pair of lashes from them, and They're just my favorite. They're just really light for this look too. I didn't want my lashes to be too crazy because I wanted the focus to be on the eyes for this look. So they're pretty nice and really fluffy and comfortable. Alright, so here are both the lashes on. It looks really nice with the eye look. These are like my favorite everyday lashes. MAC Cork lip liner is my favorite brown liner of all time. I was going for an ombre lip, so I did brown on the outer parts, and I'm going to do a nice little nude over the top. The lip color is NYX. It's Sandstorm in their Suede collection, I believe. It was really popular a couple years ago, and I just found it, and I remember how much I loved it. So here I am applying highlighter. I'm using Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. It is so pretty. It looks so wet on my skin. This highlighter is my new favorite. Sorry. And of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't highlight my nose, my eyebrow bone, and my cupid's bow, and my inner corners. I have to highlight all pivotal points. Alright, and so this is the finished Valentine's smoky eye. For the steps that I do that for every single smoky eye that I do on my eyes. So just like, you know, going in the crease and then putting a nice dark shadow on the eyes, and then of course underneath the waterline. I really like the way this looks. I feel like this is super cute for like a date on Valentine's. Maybe if you're going out at night, like going to like arcade, bowling, dinner, like you could dress it up, dress it down. This is a crop top that I'm wearing, so like you could wear it with jeans, you could wear it with a skirt. You know, it really matters how you wear it. You could wear like dangly earrings, you could wear your hair up in a bun. That would be super cute. But I just wanted to have my hair like this because my hair is growing and I'm so happy about it. But let me know down in the comments what you have to doing for Valentine's Day this year. I'm not doing anything because my Valentine is in LA, and so we'll probably just talk on the phone, sadly, but I'll probably do something nice for myself. Make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for some more Leak in Your Life. Thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.